Hi, everybody. On slide 3 with the volume of cylinders, I believe everyone's doing good with 1, 2, 3, and 4. I wanted to talk about number 5 real quick. 5 and 6 are different. We're not finding the volume on these ones. We're finding the radius. They're giving us the volume, and we're going to work backwards. So this is how you would start that problem. Same way you start it. You're going to rewrite the formula. This is a cylinder, so we have volume equals pi r squared h. And instead of plugging in the r and the h this time, because we don't know what the r is, we don't know what the radius is. See here, it has a question mark. So the r, we're still going to leave as r. But the volume, they tell us right here, the volume is 351.68. So I'm actually going to plug that in where my v is. So instead of v, I'm going to plug in the volume. I'll leave pi alone. I'll leave the r squared alone because I don't know what r is. And then for the h, I'll plug in 7. See where I got that? The h is 7 because that's the height. So now it's just like isolating a variable in an equation. We're going to solve for r. So I'm going to rewrite this, this equation down here as 351.68. And then I'm going to write the 7 pi in front of the r squared. Okay, so I have 7 pi r squared. Think of equations. If I want to get the r by itself, I do the opposite. So right now, the r squared is being multiplied by 7 pi. What's the opposite of multiplying by 7 pi? Dividing by 7 pi. So I'm going to divide both sides by 7 pi. Look what happens. My 7s are going to cancel out. My pi's are going to cancel out. And I'll be left with r squared over here. So 351.68 divided by 7 divided by 3.14. That's how you would put that in the calculator. So 351.68 divided by 7 divided by 3.14, and you'll get the answer of 16 when you do that. So now we know that r squared is equal to 16. Then what is r? What number squared is 16? What number times itself is 16? And to find that, you take the square root of both sides, and that will give us r is 4. So the radius is 4. That will go here. And then on this one, they're also asking you for the diameter. Remember, the radius is halfway across, and then the diameter is all the way across. So if the radius is 4, then the diameter is 8. Hope that helps.